Good morning, Math 2. This is Mr. Hewitt. Today is Friday, March 27, and I'm going to be sharing with you today's student-facing document. We'll be looking at that together in just a second. There we go. So you should be seeing what I'm seeing on my screen, which is today's student-facing document. As you can see, the topic for this unit is rational exponents and radical functions. And the objective for today is simplify radical expressions using the prime factor method. So you'll be learning how to simplify radical expressions using the prime factor method. Now on Wednesday, you guys learned how to find the prime factors of regular numbers. You're going to be using a similar technique to solve these radical expressions. Okay, so I'd like you guys at this time to pause this video and watch the video that is linked below, and then resume playing this video. Okay, so watch the video in the link below, which is also linked right here in your student-facing document, and then resume playing this video afterwards. Thanks. Okay, great. How did that go? Well, hopefully you understood what was taught there. And here's another example that we can look at together at this time. So this one says to simplify the square root of 72. Okay, now you're going to find all the prime factors of 72 like you did on Wednesday. So we could start by actually finding two numbers that we can multiply to get 72. So the numbers that come to mind are 7 and 8, because 7 times 8 is equal to 72. Now, there are other ways to get down to those prime factors, but this is just one way, okay? Now, we can break down 9 further into 3 times 3, okay? We can break down 8 into 2 times 4, and we can break down 4 into 2 times 2. Notice that now we have all prime numbers. 3 is a prime number, and 2 is also a prime number. Now, notice that we have 2 3s and 3 2s, okay? Because 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 72. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. And 36 times 2 is 72. Okay, now what you're going to do next is to pull out the prime factors that are doubles, okay, and leave the prime factors that are single on the inside of the radical symbol. So here we have 3 2 times, so that's a double, right? So we're going to pull that out and put it right here, okay? We have 3 2s, so we're only going to pull out 2 of them, okay? And we call that a double, okay? And we're going to put the number 2 once, okay? So notice that we pulled out the doubles, but we only wrote the number once, okay? So we pulled out the 3s, and we just put 3 once. We pulled out 2 2s, and we just put 2 once. And now we're left with just 1 2 that doesn't have another 2 to make another pair. So we're going to leave that 2 under the radical symbol right there. And so now we're going to multiply the ones on the outside. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6, okay? And so our final answer is going to be 6 square root 2, okay? Our final answer is going to be 6 square root 2. All right. Any questions or concerns? You know how to reach me via Google Classroom, or for those of you who have my personal number, you can do that as well, or my email, by email, okay? Also, see me online tomorrow for, not tomorrow, I'm sorry, on Tuesday for our next live tutoring session or live support session for answers to your questions and for me to go through examples if you need. All right, so you're going to do the independent practice, okay, which is here on page 2. And then you're going to do your exit ticket, which is here on page 3. And you're going to submit the exit ticket through Google Classroom. Now, for those of you who are having trouble with Google Classroom, with the document feature there, you can do the work on paper, lined paper or printer paper is fine. And you can then upload a picture after taking a picture, upload the picture to Google Classroom. That way you can submit your assignment, okay? All right, I think that's all I have for you today. You guys have a great rest of your day and a wonderful weekend, you beautiful people. See you on Monday for your next video on another lesson, all right? So Monday, another video lesson, and Tuesday, life support. I think I got that straight. All right, take care, guys.